What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Welcome to Auto 3 Garage. Welcome to Auto 3 Garage. On today, we're going to be talking about this 1955 Ford Thunderbird going for $29,000. Anyways, look at it. I seen it. I said, damn, this thing looking pretty dang good. Anyway, before we get into the pictures and all that, y'all already know what I normally do and stuff. And I like making these videos. So this is a 1955 Ford Thunderbird. $29,000. Driven 30,850 miles. Okay, why did it went back out? Exterior is black, interior is black, fuel type is green. Talking about green, it's gasoline, very good condition. Alright, so seller's description: 292 engine with dress-up kit, automatic power steering, like new black canvas top with new weather strip, tuner top, black porthole hardtop, not shown, but like new Kelsey Hayes wire wheels. Tach does not work, and temperature and oil gauges have been installed. Man, I gotta stretch my eyes all the way over there. But anyway, man. So the reason why this car has stood out to me and all that. Normally, if I talk about a car, is because I have like some sort of type of connection with it during my lifetime and all that. I either seen it up close, seen it on movies or something, video games. This car here, I was playing this one game, Mafia. I think it was Mafia 3, 2. But they had these type of cars right here, these old school cars and all that. And it just reminded me. But anyway, the exterior is looking amazing. Interior is looking immaculate. Got some clean seats and all that, looking pretty cool. Interior, I love the dash, man. I'm telling you, man, these old school cars, man, they had some elegance to it. They did. Like, man, looks so cool. And then we've got the back. I love the chrome bumpers. Like I said, the cars back then had a lot of chrome and all that back then. Okay, did it just went out? Why I keep doing that? Anyway, this is the engine right here. As you can see, this is the 292 engine. Got a red and all that, looking all nice. Other point of view. Got another view with the top drop. But really, that's pretty much it. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts down below. Let me know if y'all ever had a Ford Thunderbird and all that. I seen them up person and all that before. I think they are really pretty cool cars and all that. I think this is a great, weekend car. I think it's really great. And he's in South Carolina. That's a great location to have in South Carolina. Pretty beautiful and all that. They got nice back roads and all that, so that's a nice car to have over there. But this be like a cool car. And like I said, back in the day, like this interior pic right here just reminds me of like you having to come to like a fine diner restaurant, like how they had like the chrome and the retro gauges during that time period and all that, and then the seating and stuff. Like it looked like something you could sit down at a fast food joint or something. So I don't know, it's really cool and very interesting. I'll tell you that. But anyway, guys, that's gonna be pretty much it. If y'all made it this far, if y'all can subscribe and like the video, share with your friends, family, or whoever, and don't be a stranger. I'm gonna get this video out right now. Hey, see y'all. Peace.